What's up, guys, and welcome back. If you saw last week's video, I'm assuming you might be able to figure out where we are. That is right, we made it to Thunder Mountain. The wife gave me permission. I am wicked excited. Today we are actually looking at getting my brakes upgraded for my bike. Last time I was at Highland, you saw the video where I went from my hardtail, which I did bring with me, to a rented bike because the brakes were just horrible, horrible stock brakes. So I have a quote from the guy, and hopefully we're gonna get a couple runs in, and then we're gonna go see him, and he's gonna upgrade us to some code brakes. So very excited, but there's no line, so I need to get up there before the line forms. Let's get up to the lift. All right, so we are on our way to Blue Pulaski. That is right. Blue Pulaski is a blue trail. It comes off of Sugar Line, and it's definitely a trail that I remember riding, but I can't fully remember. Blue Pulaski. Here we go. That was pretty quick. So this is again a blue trail. Which is pretty cleared off. I'm assuming they come down here with leaf blowers. Oh yeah, this is what I came here for. Blue Pulaski goes in and out of Sugar Line. I'm not sure how much. What is this right here? This is still Blue Pulaski. All right. Sugar Line is down there on the left. All right, nice. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, you definitely feel every bump of this. Yep, I remember this. Yep, I definitely remember this trail. Yeah, I remember sliding all the time on this part right here. Whew. We're gonna take Billy Badger. Well, we're gonna take Ceruleum. Try Ceruleum out and see what it's like. But, oh, this is nice. Some roots, some jank, some good old cross country. Love it, love it. Nice man-made feature right here. I think I remember falling on one of these. I remember crashing one time with Brett on this. Whew. And it was awesome. Whew. Oh, that could have ended bad. Ooh. Ooh. Came in super hot. Not really ready. That is it. Time to bring this bike inside and see what we can do.
How's the biking out there today?
Well, they're upgrading my brakes, so I'll be seeing you a couple more times till they're done. What is up, guys? So I tried talking about this on the trail and it didn't really work out that well because I was on Trillium and I had to focus on the trail system itself. So today's video is actually going to be about brakes. They have my bike right now. I wanted to upgrade the brakes. I got permission from the boss. She said that I could do it, and we have code brakes getting installed right now. Unfortunately, I just put the ESI grips on and he tore them taking them off, which kind of sucks, but you know what? It's gonna be worth it in the end. The ESI brake or the ESI grips are only 10-15 bucks, so I'm not too worried about it. I do, however, have my lock-on grips in the car, so I don't have to buy any new ones, and hopefully he'll give me at least, you know, a couple bucks off the whole deal, which is pretty cool. But the value of the brakes is the same here as if I would buy it anywhere else, and they're gonna do it on the spot for me, so it's definitely gonna be worth it, I think. So let's get to the car, get those grips, and get them back up there to him. All right, so here we go. We have the brakes are on, and we're gonna go down Sugar Line, and we're gonna see if we can seat the pads so that when we hit Billy Badger, we get a little bit of courage. Whew. Wow, already I can feel them. I rode down to my car and to put my old brakes in my car, and at first I was like, they kind of don't feel any different, but already I can kind of tell. Oh, we're on Blue Pulaski. I took a turn. So looks like we're riding Blue Pulaski to seat these things, which isn't really that bad. It's still a pretty decent trail. But I went down to my car and I was like, were these worth it? I mean, but right now, actually using them, yeah, they feel pretty good. They need to be adjusted, but they're definitely, there's some stopping power with them. So I have the Code R brakes front and back, which are the downhill version brakes. Maybe a little too much for a hardtail, but they're a brake that I can put on any bike. You know, I'll get my next bike at some point and these brakes will come with me, which is really good. I did save my old brakes, so I have those to put back on when I take these ones off and take them with me. Ooh, a little high. All right, so the goal was to take Sugar Line down, but we took a wrong turn. So now we are gonna go and hit the trail that I wanted to hit, which is Billy Badger. Billy Badger is a black diamond, and it's right here on the left. And I've hit this trail before. There are some jumps, there is some jank, but I've done it with a hardtail before, so I'm gonna do it with a hardtail again. So I like riding the chunky trails because, well, with jumps, I really don't have luck with my leg, not yet. I'm still going down that road. So tech trails are kind of like what I enjoy because I can actually do something on them, like this. Whew. Ooh, oh my God. My front shock definitely kind of went down with that one. But this is what I can do, is I can do rollers because my feet stay on the pedal, my wheels stay on the ground, and it's something that with guide brakes I can slow myself down very well. Nice. Whew. Jeez, this is chunky. Oh, but you can roll it. I'll roll it. Chunky, rooty, rocky, tacky. Ooh, and a trail that I need to take a break on. Here we go. Now, on Billy Badger, there are a couple jumps and drops, but everything is usually rollable, which is awesome for me. So it's definitely a trail that I try to hit at least once every time I come here. It does really good for my balancing and my line placement. But these brakes are like friggin' phenomenal. Jeez. I mean, the combination of brakes and mid-fat on this hardtail makes it like a worthy bike of Thunder Mountain. Not every bike park, you know, but Thunder Mountain, oop, oop, oop. Whew. Oh, the GoPro is doing no justice for this trail and how steep it is. Oh, a little too slow. Find the line, get the groove. Jeez. Oh. Oh, love it, love it. Oh. All right, guys, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.